What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KJ. Welcome back to the channel. And we're back with another Hennessy collection. Another Hennessy edition. Another major dump of horsepower into a vehicle. We got to get into this one right here. This is going to be the Hennessy Super Venom Supercharged Ford Mustang. They got the regular trim Mustang and they also got the Dark Horse Mustang. And man, they dumping 850 horsepower into this coupe. You feel me? So it's got body lines and fender. It's too much to even talk about. We just need to get right into it. We just got to look right into it because they showed out on the Cadillac Escalade V, and I'd be doggone if they didn't show out again on this Mustang. It seemed like to me Hennessy can't miss. So yeah, we're gonna get right into this video. But did y'all like, share, and subscribe to the channel? Because that's what I'm waiting to see. Because that's, you know, I've been checking my back office. A lot of y'all watching, but you ain't subscribed to the channel. Now I don't want to have to run up on you. You feel me? So if y'all don't mind, just do that. It's free 99. Come on in. It's free 99. Now let's get to the video. Nasty.
Hey Hennessy Performance fans, I'm Blake, and I'm really excited to show y'all the brand.
Cuz, let's go back. I gotta see that side shot again. I know y'all see all that. Them split fives are eating that joker up, man. I'm loving the fender flare. The fender flare. That fender, you know that fender's breathing. This joker got it. At 850, we gotta get some air in there to them rotors. Okay, you got the Hennessy emblem right there. You got the Super Venom decal. You got your running, I don't know what you would call those. I can't remember. I know you got the front splitter. I think it's carbon fiber. I like how they blacked that out in the front. Some gloss black, some matte black. Man, nasty.
Hey Hennessy Performance fans, I'm Blake, and I'm really excited to show y'all the brand new Hennessy Super Venom. This new Mustang is available on the Dark Horse or the GT trim. It's limited to 91 exclusive units across the country. There's a handful of new upgrades that have never been seen before, all done by Hennessy Performance. The Super Venom comes equipped with a upgraded supercharger, produces 8.
They slapped that supercharge on that, so you know, homeboy pulling, you feel me? You can race this one. Yeah, I don't think you gotta do anything to it. You can just put this one against anybody and, you know, hold your own.
850 horsepower, and it's adorned with the Venom Aero carbon fiber.
Guys, just look at the way that Mustang is sitting right there. Just at that angle alone. The split fives, the fenders, the headlights, the blacked out front with the white. It's just an undeniable work of art right there.
Fiber kit. So all these parts have been engineered, designed, and manufactured here in-house to produce the Super Venom. So starting from the front of the car, we have a front splitter, hood extractor with more venting for the front of the car. Looking at the side of the car, you'll see the exposed carbon fiber active air fender vents, which actually...
You heard them, guys. Active air fender vents. And this just got a lot of carbon fiber on it too, so you know carbon fiber is not cheap. So I think you can get ready to expect a hefty price tag for this one. Then I can see down there the Brembo brake system. That's probably 6-piston Brembo brake system. I'm pretty sure you're gonna get to it in a minute.
They do allow the air to escape from the fender well. Full side skirts, and the most noticeable upgrade on the Super Venom is going to be the upgraded carbon fiber wing. So it's a gooseneck style high downforce wing. We have a full carbon fiber rear deck lid.
Now that rear deck lid is nice, and the full fender skirts is carbon fiber. Like you see right here, the rear deck lid is carbon fiber. And then I like how they got that nice embossed Hennessy emblem for the back. And then they did it in white to match the color of the car. You know, just to separate, just the detail. Throwing detail in here and there to really accent the car. So yeah, that's nice.
And a fully exposed carbon fiber duckbill spoiler. And to top it off, you have the exclusive carbon fiber mirror caps. The Super Venom also includes the 19-inch black lightweight performance wheel upgrade. All right, so people are gonna ask why 91? Well, it's the testament to our company's history. We are a performance wheel upgrade. All right, so people are gonna ask for mirror caps. The Super Venom also includes the 19-inch black lightweight.
Black, lightweight, 19-inch wheels by like a Honda Accord or a Camry or something like that. But I can see it's got Vossen wheels. And then with the emblem, they went with the Hennessy badge in the center of the wheel. So I think that's nice too. They throwing a lot of detail on it. Hennessy making sure that their name is not mistaken. You're going to pay attention. Their emblem is going to be everywhere on this car. You got two side badges. You got the word Hennessy at the back. And then the center cap of each wheel got their H logo on it. So they're putting their stamp on this thing. You feel me?
Performance wheel upgrade. All right, so people are going to ask why 91? Well, it's the testament to our company's history. We were founded in 1991 by our owner and operator, John Hennessy. So we've adorned the car with the exclusive 91 heritage livery. You'll see the 91 on the hood. There's also 91 hidden within the back and on the end plates of the wings. You'll also see the Super Venom script along the side. The Super Venom also features our raised Hennessy badging on the sides and the rear.
Right.
Outside of all of the upgraded exterior components, we've also gone inside the car. We've done a nice upgraded Hennessy dash plaque and upgraded leather and Alcantara seats. Whether you're a Dark Horse owner or a GT owner, we have the Super Venom leather and Alcantara seats. We've done a nice upgraded Hennessy dash plaque and
that's nice. That dash plaque is nice.
And upgraded leather and Alcantara seats.
Man, let's look at those seats again. That's what I was trying to get back to. They going so fast.
And upgraded leather and
you're not gonna run over them seats like we just didn't see those fresh ass seats in there. Man, those seats are so plush to be like, you know, in a sports car. A lot of times they look like they don't have a lot of cushion on them, just more for support and protection for the high speed. But these are actually like padded very nicely. It's some of the most padded seats I've seen in a sports car, to tell you the truth. So I rock with them on that, because you want to be comfortable, especially with whatever this vehicle is costing.
Alcantara seats. Whether you're a Dark Horse owner or a GT owner, we have the Super Venom kit available for both cars. We have the blue.
I'm telling y'all, the Dark Horse to me would be, that's the trim I'm like, maybe just because it's in the white and black. It sticks out to me more than that black on black in this particular vehicle. Supercharged 850 horses. God. I see a little Alcantara on the outside of that seat too, just a strip about an inch wide. I guess it's some slightly at the bottom. You got perforated leather. So I know that's heat and cool seats. Shit, they might even be massaging seats going forward.
Recaro seat option available on the Dark Horse, or the black and red upgraded seats on the Super Venom GT. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. The all-new S650 comes from the factory with a 5.0 liter V8. We've gone through, supercharged that motor to produce.
Yeah, that motor looks nice, boy. It's that supercharged. That joke is getting some kind of air, because that's like a breathe on each side of that too, right? So yeah, she breathing. That's nice, man. Nice. You got your Hennessy decal on top of the radiator cover, which is carbon fiber. Then you got your Hennessy badge. Gonna let you know in between number 1 and 91 which number you have. So they pull out all the bells and whistles on this, and that's for sure.
850 horsepower. Inside the engine bay, we've done beautiful Hennessy dressed lines. We also have the carbon fiber radiator cover with your exclusive numbered plaque for the Super Venom. If you're curious to see the performance figures of this vehicle, be sure to check out the dyno video below. We've got a lot of videos coming out which are going to do deeper dives into the Super Venom.
I was hoping to get to do some more burnouts in the video, but it's not real long. So I'm going to make sure to drop the link to this full video in my description. Make sure they get their credit. Don't need no copyrights. Yeah, like they said, they're dropping more videos on this to show, I guess, actual racing is putting it on the track. But man, just what we've seen so far is like super lit.
The processes, the performance, and some actual visuals of the vehicle going around the track. Let's talk warranty. Every Super Venom comes with a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper-to-bumper warranty. Gives you the peace of mind so you can enjoy the...
Why do companies keep saying that? Every car come with the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. That's nothing new. That is nothing new. That's like, isn't that like standard? That's what I call it. That's standard. So, what do you guys think of the car? Are you taking the Dark Horse or the GT? The Dark Horse is coming with blue and black interior, and the GT is coming with red and black. If I'm giving you my vote, I'm definitely going with the Dark Horse. I love how the white and black play off of each other. The 19-inch Vossen wheels look like they're about 10 inches deep in the back. I know they're staggered. I know that much. I don't think they're the same size. I have to do a little research just to make sure. But overall, Hennessey is leaving their mark on the vehicle. I wish they'd come do my Ram, you know, while you got all this time and money.
Car more, worry less. Now is the time to claim one of these iconic pieces of Hennessey history. So outside of just the performance, we've done all the exterior modifications to really make this vehicle stand out. We've spent an enormous amount of resources to design, engineer, and manufacture our own parts exclusively for the Super Venom. Production starting in March. They're exclusive to 91 units. Don't miss out. We have this.
Oh, that's smooth. They're making their own parts. So if something terrible, you ain't got to wait forever to get it. Like if it was subbed to a company that's overseas somewhere, so that makes a big difference, you know, when it comes to owning one of these.
This package available both on the Dark Horse and the GT trim level, available in both automatic and manual gearboxes. Again. Be sure to reach out directly to Hennessey Performance to 91 units. Don't miss out. We have this package available both on the Dark Horse and the GT trim level, available in both automatic and manual.
And then, like they said, the 91 is when their owner started the company, so it's paying homage to that. They got it on the hood also, so I mean, it's kind of neat. The layout is pretty neat to the car.
Gearboxes. Be sure to reach out directly to Hennessey Performance or one of our numerous Ford dealers across the country.
I gotta see that front cap one more time. That's nasty, man. Look, almost reminds me of a snake head. But look here, guys. We're gonna end it just like we started on the Hennessey in the background. Very nice dark layout with the word Hennessey. Anyway, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. And hop in those comments, let me know if you like this Hennessey Super Venom Mustang with 850 horsepower. Like I said, it's coming with the GT and also with the Dark Horse. And my pick is going to be the Dark Horse. So I want y'all to jump in the comment and let me know which one would you pick. Which is your favorite out of the two. Like I said, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'm not going to hold you guys because y'all got to cook dinner tonight for your wife and kids. So we'll catch you on the next one, man. Peace out. Later.